Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Okay, so today we're gonna cook the noodle. Okay, do you want to eat noodle? Yes or no?
Me.
Okay, you want to eat noodle. So here are the ingredients. I have ingredients. Egg. Yeah, noodle. Maybe that is eating noodle. Okay. I have here the ingredient. Egg.
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 Noodle.
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 I have 3 types of noodle. Oh, they're different each other. Oh, it's different each other. Let me check. It should be the same.
Okay.
Which one do you want to eat? This one is a beef, and this one is a vegetable. Which one do you want to eat? The purple or the red?
Purple.
You want to eat purple? Okay, so we're gonna cook 3 packs of purple. Okay, so we have ingredient here: 3 packs of noodle and 2 eggs. 2 eggs. Okay. Then I need a pot. A pot.
Hot.
Pot.
Hot.
Pot.
Hot.
Pot. Okay, so we're gonna fill the water into the pot. Okay. This is the faucet.
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 Now I'm gonna turn on the faucet to fill the water in. Okay. Alright. We are filling the water into the pot. Filling the water into the pot. Now, come look right here. Okay.
Đang đổi gì? Sao này ra gì đâu này?
Hello. Okay. Now I already filled the water into the pot. Let me take the chair and sit down. Look at here. I put the water into the pot. Okay. This one I cook the noodle already. Okay. So now I'm gonna put on the lid. Lid. I'm gonna put on the lid, and then I put into the show.
Như thế này.
Then I'm gonna turn on.
Như thế này.
It's hot. Don't touch here. Alright? And while waiting the water boil, I'm gonna clean up. The egg is dirty. Look at everybody. You're cold. You're cold. Uncle here.
Baby now.
Close the door. Okay. Look at the egg. The egg is dirty. Right. So I'm gonna clean up with the water. Now I'm gonna turn on the faucet.
Faucet.
Okay, turn on, then I clean up. Clean up, clean up. Everybody, let's clean up. Clean up, clean up. Put your things away. Okay, now it's clean. Okay, 1 egg, 2 egg. Now I'm gonna clean up. Okay, be careful, nice meat. Gently, otherwise it will be broken. Okay, so I have here 2 eggs. Big egg, small egg. Big egg, small egg. Okay. Now waiting for me. When the water is boiling, I'm gonna crack the egg. Crack the egg into the pot. Bunny. Bunny hungry? Bunny want to eat the noodle? Okay, let's eat the noodle. Yum 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 yum. Okay, now the bunny is full. Full. But bunny is not hungry anymore. Okay? Okay, I think I should take away the toy. Clean up, put your toy away. Clean up, clean up. Okay, now I'm gonna put all the toys here. Okay. So, while waiting for the water to boil, you see here some fog. The water is boiling. You see? Okay, you can come here to see. You can come here to see the water is boiling. Come here. Stand up and come to see. Here. It's hot. Don't touch here. Okay. You see? No. The water is boiling. Here. Hey, wow. Is there anyone want to see the water is boiling? You come here. You can come here to see. Okay, let's see it. It's boiling. It's hot. Okay, don't touch it. Wow. Come here. Okay, want to see the water is boiling? Okay. Now while waiting, the water is boiling. I'm gonna turn on the bacon. Smell Smell. Bacon. Okay, so the smell gonna hit here. Okay, and go out of the house.
It's so noisy.
It's noisy, right? Bacon. Smell bacon.
No, bacon.
Okay. Now, look at me. The water is boiling now. I will crack the egg. Chopstick.
You dum dum dum
Look at me. I have a knife.
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 Don't cut to your finger. Okay?
Cắt cả tay à đấy chà.
No, don't cut to your finger. Now I'm gonna crack the egg. Look at me, I'm gonna crack the egg. Crack the egg. Okay, be careful with your finger. Then I'm gonna take away the trash here. Okay. One more egg. You want to crack the egg?
Yeah.
It will be okay? Okay, you can come here to try crack the egg. Crack the egg. Wow, be careful. It's hard, right? That's why I told you be careful. And I put here. Try here.
Cái gì vậy?
I will try. It's dirty, so I'm gonna have here tissue. Tissue.
Tôi lại thấy nóng.
Tissue.
Tôi lại thấy lạnh thử lại.
Tissue. I'm gonna clean up surface. Here. Okay. Clean up, clean up. Okay, then later we're gonna add some sour lemon into the noodle. Okay. You don't want to eat the lemon? Okay. Lemon. Lemon. Okay. I have a board. I have a big knife. Be careful, okay? Then I'm gonna slide the lemon here. Be careful with your finger, okay? And then I'm gonna clean up, then put back to here. Here I have another big knife. So scary. Okay. So scary, right? I have here a big scissor to cut the tree over there and small scissor to cut the food. I'm gonna use the scissor here, and then I'm gonna cut here. Okay, I'm gonna cut the noodle. Or I can tear, like this, tear the noodle pack here. Okay. Do you want to tear? Yeah, okay. And look at it. Tear it. Oh, okay, it's biting. Biting the noodle pack. That's okay. Okay, not yet. So we have here. See here. There's a triangle here. You see the triangle here? This is the way we tear up. Here. Then we're gonna tear from here. Some like a shaft. Right. Then we're gonna tear here. Oh, it's not. It should be from here. Sorry. It should be the same. Okay, now I can tear up. Okay. And inside they have some flavor here. Okay. I'm gonna put all the pack into. Alright, gonna put all here. I'm gonna tear up the sauce. Right, sauce. And the soup. Soup. I think it's not spicy. Another one. Have 3 packs here. It is dry vegetable. You can see it and pass to everyone to see. No, nicely. The take it nicely. Show to your friends. Speak. Show to your friends. Okay, be careful with your finger.
No.
Oh, sorry. Okay, then I'm gonna put all the noodle into the boiling pot. 1, 2, 3. Do you want to crack? No crack. Okay, so I'm gonna put over here. Then I'm gonna use chopstick. going to put the lid on and wait for a while. Still remaining. Hard here. Oh yeah, can you have to prepare the chopsticks for everyone to eat? I think it's not enough here. Okay, wait here. Okay, it's almost done. Can you hear the sound? It's boiling. It's boiling. Now I'm gonna open the lid, put the lid on, and then turn off. Okay. And then I'm gonna serve here. I have big circle plates. Big circle plates. Right. Eat the mum. I'm gonna have the bowl. How many people? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, just put the bowl here. I want to eat small bowl. Baby now. Okay, baby now. Okay, now I'm gonna put it here. Okay, can you sit down in a circle outside? Sit down on the floor. Now, who wants to eat noodle? You want to eat noodle? Okay, thank you. Let's sit down here. Who wants to eat noodle? Who wants to eat noodle? Raise your hand. Okay, so give me your bowl. Big bowl, small bowl. Okay. Here's some noodle for brother to eat. Okay. Okay. Some noodle. If you want to eat some sour lemon, you can put it yourself. Oh, where yours? Be careful. Maybe now. Okay, let's sit down first. I need you to sit down. Okay. So up. No. That is some noodle, na na na. That is some noodle, na na na. Some noodle for you and me. And we say na na na, na na na. Wait, a little bit noodle, so I will put it on here. You can eat yourself. You go? Okay? Alright, wait for mommy. Okay, who wants to eat the egg? I think we can share. Share and more. Here, alright. Let's eat some noodles. Okay, you can eat yourself. Now you can eat the noodle yourself. Let's use the chopstick. Let's use the chopstick to eat. Okay. Who wants some water? Who wants some water? A little bit, okay. Not big, okay. Who wants? Okay, around circle here. B. Be careful, okay? It's hot. Wait, in a circle. It's not your turn yet. No problem. Always have a beginner and the final. Okay. Do you want to eat some lemon here? No? Here water? Yeah. You can pour some water, pour some lemon in here. Okay. I want a little bit more water, more for the here, still have here. Okay, still have here some egg. Who want to eat the egg? You? Alright. Okay. Who want to eat the egg? Who want to eat the egg? You? Okay. Okay. Who want to eat the egg? Me. Who want to eat the egg? Right. Who want to eat the egg? You? Okay, you want to eat the egg? No? I eat. Steve, you want to eat the egg? Up. You want to eat the egg? Okay. Okay. Still have a little bit here, so we don't eat anymore.
Nào,
Now, fire. Still have here. I have some corn here. Here is
nhau nhau nhau
the other tea. That is everybody look at here.
nhau nhau
This is the carrot.
carrot.
Now eat. Here. Eat correct. Finish your noodle. Carrots. And corn. There is mushroom. I see the mushroom. Here, the mushroom. And eat. Mushroom. 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 Okay, now eat your noodle. One more water. Water more. No. Yummy? Is it yummy? Can I come your here, okay? I want to come your here, okay. Come your here. Trung tâm đây này. Đúng rồi đấy. Nó biết sao thôi. Cái phải không thì mình chỉ có rơi ở kiểu just right here. Cái play some milk there. Why do you think? You want number 10? Alright, okay. Let's eat your noodle. Why? What happened? Brother T?
Do you like broccoli?
Broccoli.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Give me
Do you like ice cream? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like broccoli ice cream?
Hey, I'm home. Stop
No,
here.
I don't. Yucky. Do you like donuts? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like juice? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like donut juice?
What are you doing? I'm eating noodle.
No, I don't. Yucky.
Ăn học còn ăn.
Do you like popcorn? Yes,
Giờ lúc mà noodle.
Yes, I do. Do you like pizza? Yes, I do.
Yummy.
Yes, I do. Do you like popcorn pizza?
Popcorn pizza.
No, I don't. Yucky.
Come here, come here. Okay, put it in your pocket.
Do you like bananas?
One banana.
Yes, I do. Yes, I
Do you want
do.
tea more?
Do you like
Here.
soup?
No. Here, a lot.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
No.
Do you like banana soup? No, I don't.
Okay. Because we finish. You okay? Is that spicy? No spicy. Okay. Yummy. Yummy. It's not spicy. It's hot, right?
Ducks on the farm say
I'm gonna put the tissue here. Okay. Tissue.
Ducks on the farm say squeak, squeak, squeak.
Quickly, okay? Because of heating. It's hot, right? So you have to blow. And then you eat. Okay. You have to blow it.
To the zoo and stomp like the elephants do. Let's go to the zoo and stomp like the elephants
Okay, then put your chopstick here. Chopstick. Chopstick. How do you remember?
jump like kangaroos. Let's go to the zoo and jump.
You want to eat? Okay, so mommy gonna
Let's go to the zoo and jump like the kangaroos do.
On your phone. Now, we want to eat. Okay, mommy. Now we're gonna eat with the fork like this, like a spaghetti.
Let's go
Like this.
to the zoo and swing like the monkeys do. Let's go to the zoo and swing like the monkeys do.
Too sour. Too sour. Alright. Okay. Okay, wait for mommy. Now I'm gonna leave up here. Oh, it's heavy! Everyone, it's heavy! It's heavy! Thank you!